Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have for s to the power of 3 ds. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0, number 5 and number 4. We have 20. This one that is about u 20s to the power of 3 ds. We change for du. So the integration of this one that is about cosine of u. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.